Are you looking for the best LED headlights in 2023? In today's video, we're going to explore top 5 LED headlights that we have found through our entire research process. We made this list based on 5 things, such as lumens, local laws, LED lifespan, waterproof, cooling mechanism. There are many types of LED headlights that may be the best, but sometimes they didn't fulfill your requirements. The Hikari Ultra LED headlights is our most recommended pick for its overall features and real user feedback. We will go into the deep overview in the next, but if you hurry, let's have a quick look at the quick comparison table. Here you can easily compare the top 5 LED headlights. We tried to show you some great features that may fulfill your requirement and some of the limitations of these products. If you find this table helpful, be sure to give us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have added all the products link in the description box below. If you are interested in any of them, feel free to check them out. All of the listed products are available on Amazon. Now let's go to the deeper section of this buying guide. At number 1 is the Hikari Ultra LED headlights. Because it provides intense illumination, widespread illumination, and variable beam angles, the Hikari Ultra LED headlights get our top spot in this category. This is due to the highly well-rounded feature set that the headlights offer. In terms of efficiency, the Hikari Ultra headlights do an excellent job with thermal management. To begin, they have square bottoms measuring 1.2 inches and an aluminum heatsink that helps pull heat away from the source. The headlights then absorb thermal energy on the inside and release it into the atmosphere. In addition, each LED bulb has a lifespan that is greater than 50,000 hours, and the manufacturer boasts that they are 270% brighter than standard halogen bulbs. You simply can't go wrong with the Hikari Ultra headlights if you are seeking for a reliable pair of LED headlights that are also quite bright and will last for a very long time. The downside is that they are somewhat pricey. At number 2 is the Beamtech LED headlight bulbs. Although the new LED bulbs from Beamtech are more affordable than those from Cougar Motor, they won't last as long. This is as a result of their slightly increased brightness of 8,000 lumens per pair with a 6,500K color temperature. Although other manufacturers offer up to 50,000 hours of longevity, theirs is over 30,000 hours or about 3.5 years of continuous use. The absence of a fan sets Beamtech's lights apart from many of its rivals, making them quieter than other offerings. With an aluminum body for better heat dissipation, they have passive cooling in place of a fan. Additionally, according to Beamtech, the bulbs have a beam pattern that is comparable to that of a halogen bulb because their filaments are about the same length. These lights are I65 dust and water resistant. The fact that Beamtech's bulbs lack a cooling fan makes them an intriguing choice at a mid-range price. Although most drivers don't hear the fan noise much, those with sensitive ears could find it upsetting. However, longevity is sacrificed because these bulbs are rated to last 20,000 fewer hours than some of their rivals. Beamtech's bulbs are perfect for you if a bulb's lifespan is not a worry because they provide above average brightness with silent operation. At number 3 is the Fahren LED headlight bulbs. Starting with a 6,500K cool white color temperature, which delivers a little purplish tinge against a 6,000K color temperature, which leans toward bluish white. The Fahren LED headlight bulbs provide outstanding visibility. It promises illumination that is larger and farther reaching with brightness that is up to 3 times brighter than halogen. With this one, there won't be any glare white spots, and its 1200 RPM cooling fan, 50,000 hour LED lifespan, and hollow carved heatsink design offer the highlights everyone wants. The Fahren LED headlight bulb's 360-degree adjustable beam, which makes use of a 360-degree adjustable locking ring for better projection, is one of our favorite features. The built-in smart IC and the improved cooling driver are just the beginning of the temperature control's overall strength. With its waterproof and dustproof aluminum design, which is suitable for even extreme weather, anticipate this one to survive for a very long period as well. Having said that, not all makes and models are compatible. At number 4 is the Nilight LED headlight bulbs. In a variety of sizes and at reasonable prices, Nilight provides LED bulbs. The majority are rated at 25 watts each bulb and produce a dazzling pair of 10,000 lumens with a cool 6,000K color temperature. Heat is effectively dispersed by their cooling fans at 10,000 RPM and aluminum heatsink. Because of their 2.95-inch length and integrated driver, the bulbs are made to be simple plug-and-play installations. The company says that the beam pattern of their bulbs is improved and free of shadows or dark areas. While 99% of vehicles should be able to use these bulbs right out of the box, those who need CAN bus compatibility can do so. You must go to Nilight.com to get the specifics of Nilight's 2-year replacement warranty for LED bulbs and components. If you're ready to replace your outdated halogen headlights with something brighter, Nilight bulbs provide another highly regarded yet reasonably priced LED choice. At number 5 is the Honks LED headlight bulbs. The Honks 9005 LED headlight bulbs provide outstanding all-around functionality, beginning with CSP technology that is capable of producing illumination that is up to 300% brighter than that of standard stock halogen bulbs. In contrast to the more neutral 6000K color temperature, which is the de facto standard when it comes to automotive lighting, a 6500K color temperature provides an excellent working light temperature on the lower end of the blue spectrum. This temperature falls toward the greener end of the spectrum. The built-in quality of the Honks LED headlight bulb is one of the product's most notable advantages. It has a design without a fan, which means it has less moving components overall, which makes it less likely to break. A 1-to-1 match also guarantees compatibility with 99% of vehicles, and the installation process shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, even for the most inexperienced of inexperienced installers. At the end, it is important to remember that worrying about money doesn't actually do anything to help. Instead, it can actually lead to more anxiety and stress. So the best way to stop worrying about money is to take some time for yourself, relax, and let go. Finally, remind yourself that you can always fix things if they get too tough.